they're already playing the 7th inning stretch. Taking up the ball game, huh? Oh, it's just pregame stuff. We are here at the stadium. This is Kansas City Royals Stadium here. And the Kansas City Chiefs play over there. Kind of reminds me of Philly. Philly's the same way. Philadelphia Phillies play, and they're directly across the streets where the Eagles play. So this is the whole complex. This is not downtown. So it's a really nice setup. Bad news about this place is you can't find cheap parking anywhere. It's $30 to get in here. Parking was easy, don't get me wrong. Of course, we are an hour early. However, in a lot of stadiums, like if you go to Green Bay, you can park on the street and you're only a block from being inside the gate. But this place here it's got a lot of businesses and this kind of stuff. So not many people are going to be walking here. They're just going to pay to park. We are in, of course, we got some background music. Hopefully maybe my speaking will drown it out a little bit. We'll see. So inside they got a mini Hall of Fame in here, and inside they got a depiction of the stadium. Cool. Nice. This is all stuff in the back end. We just kind of walked where the mini golf is and everything. And then it's took that one picture from the other side. We got a nice big wood wall here. It's like engraved and stuff. It's pretty cool. The dog's breathing hard. Cool. A lot of stuff to look and see. And it keeps going. Nice. Special bases and everything. Post 1876 base. Wow. Oh, excuse me. Nice. Interesting stuff. I'm just glad I actually filmed someplace that doesn't have a whole lot of that's actually engraved in. It's pretty cool. You can see all the way through it. Nice. It doesn't have a bunch of background music on it. A lot of cool stuff. And George Brett again. Nice. We saw one of these. Saw one of these at Green Bay game. It was one of the games. Twins game. Twins has got one of these. Of course, it says Twins all over it. Baseball there. There's something I definitely didn't know is the Kansas City Red Sox. Teams move all the time. What's pretty neat is got a depiction of how the baseball bats have changed through time. Ash versus maple. That's pretty cool. This one here is from the 1870s. At the end of that thing, that's the main thing I saw that was different. Look how much more rounded the end is. Bat handle model, 1900s. It's about the size of a baseball there. Down there, 1904. That one was 1904 too. Wow, it's pretty. That was 1913. We're getting there. And today's bat, well, he's getting closer, that's for sure. And here's the inside of the baseball itself. Black rubber, cushion cork. Orange plywood yarn. That's pretty neat. And the actual World Series Championship trophy, 1985. So yeah, I graduated high school. I don't know what year this one is. It's a cool trophy. And that number 5 is been 3,100 and some odd baseballs. 3,154. Wow. It usually tells you all about them. What the significance is. Each ball. Nice.
Beautiful ballpark has to offer. Thank you for visiting the K and enjoy the game. Welcome to Kauffman Stadium, home of the Kansas City Royals. Your safety is our #1 priority in the event of an
Watching the game. Such the baseball fan she is. Well, the game is actually going on, and this is this is actually upper deck above us. And the place is pretty empty. There's some box seating areas there. The place is pretty empty, partly because their record is like 48 and wins and 103 losses or something. That's pretty bad. Show a little of the game, right? Strikes you're out of the old ball game. Well, that was a good game. Well, they're actually losing now, but I think teams tend to do that when we visit. The home team doesn't do quite as well. I think we've been to more home games of sports where the home team has lost than we have that they've won. But oh well, that's fine. I don't think did the Packers win. I think the Packers might have won. Packers might have won while we were there.
They did after we left.
Yeah, after we left. Anyway, so we're going to let you go. If you ever come out to this game, now you know what the facilities are about, which is pretty cool. Like it. Parking was good.
$30 parking.
All except the $30 parking, yeah, which I mentioned in the very beginning. But anyway, we all had a good time. The dog had a good time. She ate well. She had some chicken. so did we actually. But anyway, be sure to like and subscribe. Come join us on our check out our playlist that has to do with travels from around the country. Also different ballparks. I'll put those in somewhere like maybe right up there, so you can click on that. Go to some of those, because we're out here just living.
The coolest life.
Sports edition.